a nation under the new media. And can you hear the sound of hysteria? The subliminal mindfuck America. Welcome to a new kind of tension, all across the alien nation, where everything is meant to be okay. The television dreams of tomorrow, we are not the ones who meant to follow, but that's enough to argue. Well, maybe I'm the faggot America. I'm not a part of redneck agenda. Now everybody do the propaganda. I sing along to the age of paranoia. Welcome to a new kind of tension, all across the alien nation, where everything is meant to be okay. The television dreams of tomorrow, we are not the ones who meant to follow, but that's enough to argue. Controlled by the media, information age of hysteria, calling out to idiot America. Welcome to a new kind of tension, all across